Good morning, children. This is English video session for class 9. The book which we are doing now is Be High, and we are now going to do a poem, The Road Not Taken. This has come under the Unit 1. Again, I repeat, this is English video session for class 9. We are going to do a poem. The name of the poem is The Road Not Taken. It is in the unit 1 after the hero section, that is the one we had. The Road Not Taken is a poem that's written by Robert Frost. This well-known poem is about making choices and the choices that shape us. Robert Frost is an American poet who writes simply but insightfully about common ordinary experiences. Insightfully. There is a lot of insight thought that is involved in the ordinary issues which he says. Though they may look ordinary, they may look very simple and plain, there is also an attempt to go deep into the thoughts and find out how it is very much related to our ordinary things, but definitely serious thoughts. The main concept of this poem which Robert Frost mentions, is about us making choices. Choices? Yes. All of us, right from the morning till we go to the bed, and we are just going on making choices. We want to get up now, we will sleep again. We want to have tea or coffee or not nothing. We all right, breakfast, this, that, anything. Want to go to work, don't want to go to work, want happy and not happy. Everything has starts with choices in our day to day life. And we go on. The choices are endless. But towards the end of the day, or if we turn back the life of us, we are today because of the choices which we had taken one day, the choices which we chose, which had shaped you because of that choice. It could have been a tough choice. There might have been other optional easy choices for you which you did not want to adopt, but chose for a choice which is a bit challenging, which requires the full of your concentration and mind, which was quite hard, which you had to put in your fullest, but that has taken to you to a different shape and personality and position today, whereas you would have seen others who had taken other easy choices, and they are also coming up. But towards the end of the day, where do we all end up? Does it make a difference? Does it make a change in the approach or a look or by others on us? Sure, it has its own, what to say, the way in which it has to be judged. Sure. Let's see how beautifully Robert Frost takes to The Road Not Taken, the best poem that we can learn life through this. I have not seen such a wonderful poem which teaches us the best of the life. Such say two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveller long I stood and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent into the undergrowth. then took the other fair as just as fair, and having perhaps better claims because it was grassy and wanted away. Though as far as the passing there had worn them really about the same, and both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how ways leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh, some way ages and ages thence. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the less travelled by, and that had made all the difference. Please, let's read. The first answer, the two roads diverged in a yellow wood. Two roads. So the pathway. Yellow wood. A wood is a forest. Yellow wood, the one which is yellowish. What does it mean, yellow? Maybe the trunks of the tree you have it yellow, or the leaves are dead and yellow. But it's a forest, but not a green wood, but it's yellow wood. Okay. Sorry, I cannot travel both. Yes, and being a lone traveler. So, you are a person one and only. So, there are two paths before you. Can you at a time travel both? Impossible. You stop at the end and you have to choose whether you go to the left side or the right side. You need to decide in which place you cannot travel because you are a lone traveler. In the life, you are a lone traveler to your own self. You choose the path, you travel alone. So here are the both the paths available before me, and I'm not clear which one I should choose. Long I stood for a long time. Which path should I choose? This or that or this? No, this, no, that, no, this, no, that. And looked down as far as I could. Okay, let me see where does this go, and from here itself. Okay, you stretch your neck, you strain your eyes, you try to see, and that side, where does it go? What is the end? And how it goes in the undergrowth. So the bends, you couldn't see much as far as your sight goes, you can see. But what happens after that? Nobody knows. You, the lone traveler, only can say after you experience it. Am I not? Is it not true? Yes. Let's do it again. Two roads diverge in a yellow wood. So there are two roads which are just getting divided at that point in the yellow forest. And sorry, I could not travel both. And being a lone traveler, I'm one traveler. I'm alone. I'm myself. And I wish I could travel in both, but I have only one. I am only one. So I need to take a decision now. Long I stood and took long, looked down and one as far as I stretched, I worked, I checked from the end, I bent and looked as far as that what or where it goes, what or the where it is bent. But I couldn't do the reach of my eyes. As far as my reach of my eyes I could see. Beyond that I couldn't. Then took the other just as fair. So I left the first one and went to the other as fair and having better claim. So I thought that will give me better results, better options, better success, better happiness. Choosing, thinking that it would always give me a better claim, something better than the first one, because it was grassy and wanted wet. This is a place which was grassy, fresh, bright, and wanted where nobody has worked on it. It is so fresh that it looked like plain fresh green, and nobody has worked it. The other place many people have worked, and it's so, the path is already made. Here is something fresh. Though as far as the passing there has warned them really about the same. So you need to pass through them, and one has to pass, and it has to get into. But here is the pathway where, but you have to go through both. Whether it is a path that is gone already by many of them, or whether the path which has not been used at all and it is fresh and requires more, both the places, anybody as per their choice, they have to move on. Okay. And both that morning equally lay in leaves no steps it trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for the another day. Yet knowing how my way leads on to the way, I doubted if I should ever come back. So here is on that particular morning, I got up and I go there, and before me, I felt equally equal. They did not have any sort of difference between in these two. There was no steps that nobody has walked on that day, or it has not become very experienced. One has been walked, one not nothing. Whatever, I just choose one, the first one, to keep it another day. I will walk it, and I know that once when you start moving, that way leads to another way, to another way, to another way, and that's how I will be going on. And I know I will not come back and go, and I should ever come back. I doubted if I should ever come back. Whether I will travel the enter back is no. I should ever come back. I will only go forward. I would not come back. Okay. Then I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages. So as I was traveling, ages, years passed in the road of life, in the path of life. I am traveling, and with a sigh and with a lot of relief and happiness and satisfaction. Somewhere long, long ages. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by. I would be proclaiming, I would be telling, I would be uh, making myself aware of the decision which I took on the other day when the two woods was there, and I took the one which was less traveled by. I took the one less traveled by. That was the path which was not traveled by many people, and it is going to be tough, I know well. But I took that road, and I traveled and I went on. I did not want to travel back, and I thought that I should go from the way to path on to another route, another to another way, and ultimately I'm here. But I took the one which is traveled, less traveled, and that has made all the difference. So today, everybody has reached the point of destination, but there is a difference in me that had made me different. Okay, so Robert Frost diverged, separated, and took a different direction. Undergrowth or the dense growth of the plants and the bushes. Wanted where is not being used and hence is into future. This particular poem and the four stanzas are considered or by BC, be it CBSE, be it any examination forum. If this poem is there, you make it sure that this is extremely important. Kindly read along with me loudly the same poem. The Road Not Taken. This well known poem is about making choices and the choices that shape us. Robert Frost is an American poet who writes simply but insightfully about common, ordinary experiences. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both and be one traveler. Long I stood and looked down one as far as I could to where it went in the undergrowth, then took the other just as fair and having perhaps the better claim. Because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as far as that the passing there had warned them really about the same. And both that morning equally lay in leaves, no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day. Yet knowing how ways lead on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all difference. This is by Robert Frost. Please read the poem 2 3 times and come to the next class, children. With this, I close. Thank you.